देखो आया अभी। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
कैन यू हियर मी? सॉरी फॉर डिले, बिकॉज दिस इज न्यू ऐप फॉर मी. आई यूज्ड टू टेक क्लास इन सम अदर ऐप, स्काइप. हाँ ठीक है. कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, up to which bit we have discussed? Board is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday, up to which bit we have discussed that question?
Sixth, sir.
Sixth, -5 to -1.
Yes, sir.
Seventh one is what? What is the question? Seventh one?
Both roots are negative.
I think you have done it. Is it visible here?
Yes, sir.
First, let me write the question. Seventh bit, both roots are negative. Board is visible. Today is some different setup. Board is visible or not?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
the place where you wrote somewhat because of light, it is not visible. Roots where you wrote nothing. Adjustable, sir.
Both roots are
Negative.
negative. Is it visible or not?
Yes,
Some
sir.
place-
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Or a little blurred?
Adjustable, sir. We can see.
We'll see, because today some other camera is there. Webcam negative. Now, first come to the graph. What kind of graph we want? Both roots are negative, 0 here. Okay. So 0 is somewhere here. Both roots are negative. So first condition is if 0 is positive. Obviously, second condition.
Discriminant is greater than 0.
D
Greater than or equal to 0.
equal to 0. Next,
Minus b by 2a is less than 0.
minus b by 2a is less than 0. No need to remember anything. If 0 is positive, m is greater than -5, and d greater than or equal to 0, we already have minus b by 2a. Less than 0. Minus m plus 1 less than 0. Minus m is less than -1. M is greater than 1. Once you check it, m greater than -5, m greater than 1, So what is the answer? Intersection of all these three sets, this set greater than m greater than 1. It's over from here. Okay, minus 5. So what is the intersection? Directly, can we say? What is the intersection of these three sets? Or shall I draw the real line? Tell me what is the intersection? 4 to infinity. 4 closed till infinity. Okay. Anyway, I'm drawing that real line. Minus 5, minus 1, 1, 4. First set greater than minus 5. Second set greater than 1. Third set minus infinity to minus 1. Closed union 4 to infinity. This is one set. The region covered by all these three sets is 4 to infinity. So M belongs to, this down part is visible.
Yes, sir.
M belongs to 4 to infinity. Okay. Next one, what is the next bit? 8. One greater than 3 and other less than 3. Is this part visible? Okay. One greater than 3, other less than 3. Now tell me which condition we need to impose?
Sir, in between 3. Sir, f of 3 negative.
Any other condition?
D is
Discriminant
greater than or
greater than
equal to 0.
F3 negative, discriminant
greater
Greater
than
than
or equal to 0.
Only greater than 0.
even if you impose any other condition.
Minus b by 2.
What
Minus b by 2a should be
should be?
0. Zero, sir. Minus b by 2.
Hmm? See, just tell me one thing. Ooh, that's what, if you remember formula, this will happen. If 3 is negative, is true. At 3, function attains the real value. Function attains negative value. Okay?
Yes, sir.
At infinity, limiting value is
Infinity.
whatever is the value function attains at 3, some negative. After here, it has to go to infinity. That way. After here, it has to go to infinity this way. So on the way, it will cross the real axis.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So function attaining negative value, coefficient of x square is positive. So automatically it will have real root. It will have
Real roots.
real root. So why we impose that condition, d greater than 0, d greater than or equal to 0? If the graph is above x-axis, to bring it down. To bring it down. So here automatically function attains the negative value.
Yes, sir.
Automatically it will have the equation will have
Real
real root.
roots. Yes, sir.
So wherever minus b by 2a is there, here, how does it matter? In this case, why I impose minus b by 2a less than 0? Look at here. If you don't impose this condition, f0 positive, d greater than or equal to 0. Under these two conditions, this graph is also possible. Under
Yes.
these two conditions, This graph is possible as well as this graph is possible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but we want which one? This one, isn't it? So to eliminate this graph, I repeat, under these two conditions, the graph of the function is this as well as this. Here f0 positive, here also f0 positive, here discriminant greater than or equal to 0. This is also okay, no problem. Touch, this is also possible, d greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So if you impose only these two conditions, both the graphs are possible. But we want both the roots to be negative. So we want to eliminate this graph. So how to shift this graph this side? We are familiar with only this point, turning point. So if we shift this point this side, automatically the whole graph will come this side. So now under these three conditions, the possible graph of this function is only this. There is no other possibility. Now if I impose this condition, now tell me, what are the possible graphs except this? Wherever 0 can be here, here, minus b by 2a, obviously here. 3 can be here, 3 can be here, anywhere. Let minus b by 2a be anywhere. It doesn't affect our purpose. So, do we need to impose any other condition?
No, sir.
No.
No need, sir.
No need. Even if you impose the condition d greater than 0, d greater than, obviously roots are distinct. Even if you impose the condition d greater than or equal to 0, d greater than 0, you will get the same answer. You will get
Same answer.
But why to waste our time?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So f3 is negative. Whenever function attains negative value, over everything over, it will attain, provided coefficient of x square is positive. Automatically, it will attain the, it will take the, it will have the real roots. Okay. So find the answer. F3 is negative 9 plus 6 times of m minus 1 plus m plus 5 is less than 0. 7m. 14 minus 6, 8. M is less than minus 8 by 7. So therefore, no need to take intersection of D or anything. Whatever answer we are getting, that is 100% correct. Okay. So what is the answer? M belongs to minus infinity to, and definitely it has to be, it will be the subset of this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the next bit? This is
Wha-
7, 8.
Both greater than 3.
9
Both roots greater than 3.
2 into m minus 1, no?
Mohammed
Sir,
Shoaib,
Sir, one doubt.
Mohammed Shoaib,
Hello.
put yourself in
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
mute mode. Both roots greater than 3. Similarly, both roots positive. Just think of what are the conditions we need to impose. Junaid,
Yes, sir.
the visibility, today's visibility is clear or yesterday's visibility was clear?
Clear only, sir. This one.
Huh?
Clear only, sir.
Clear only, no? Is there any difference between yesterday and today's visibility?
No, sir.
Just I'm taking feedback. Okay, thank you. Now, both roots are greater than 3. So first, what kind of graph we want? We want this kind of graph. Okay. So both roots are greater than 3. So first condition we need to impose what? What is the first condition?
f of 3 is greater than 0.
Okay, correct. Next condition.
D is less than minus b by 2a.
Now he
Minus
said
b
F3 is
by
positive, correct only, and minus b by 2a. What did you say? 3 is less than minus b by 2a, na?
Yes, sir.
Minus b by 2a has to be greater to shift the graph that side.
Yes, sir.
Minus b by 2a is greater than 3. Any other? Now think of under these two conditions, this graph is also possible.
discriminant greater than or equal to 0.
This graph is also possible under these two conditions.
Yes, sir.
Is it or not?
Yes, sir.
F3 is positive, minus b by 2a is greater than 3. Here we need to impose what?
Discriminant greater than or equal
Greater
to
than
0.
or equal to 0. That's it. Now tell me, do you need to remember any formula for any question of like this? If you remember formula, you will forget it. If you learn logically, you won't forget. Both roots are greater than 3. So F3, this we have. F3 positive, 9 plus 6 times of m minus 1 plus m plus 5 is positive. From here we have 7, m is greater than minus 8 by 7. Check it. 7m plus 8. Okay. Here this one we know. Know this thing. Minus b by 2. Minus 2 times of m minus 1 by 2 greater than 3. From here we have minus m is greater than.
Excuse me, sir.
Just a moment. Minus m is greater than 2, m is less than minus 2. Once you check the calculator, yeah, tell me.
Sir, in 8 bits, can you explain again, sir, why we are not taking discriminant is greater than 0 condition?
Yeah, I'm coming back.
8 bits, sir.
Yeah. I'm coming back. Just let me finish this.
Yes, sir.
Once you check this calculation, is it correct? Once you check it, minus m is greater than 2, m is less than.
Sir, m is less than 4.
Calculate it again.
Yes, sir. M less than minus 2.
M less than minus 2.
Minus.
I believe, based on my past experience, based on my 25, 26, 27 years experience, I believe students are much better in calculation than the teachers. I'm not talking only about myself. Now, d greater than equal to 0 is, we already have. Now come to real line. Draw m greater than minus 8 by 7, critical points, minus 2, minus 8 by 7, minus 1, 4, that's it. M less than minus 2. First set, m greater than minus 8 by 7. What was the question? Both roots are greater than 3. What is the intersection?
null set.
Null set. Correct. The common, because intersection of this set and first this set and this set is null set, therefore no solution. Shall I repeat?
1 minute.
Therefore,
Sir.
M belongs to 5. There is no M for which both the roots of the equations are greater than 3. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
See, come to 8th bit. One root is greater than 3, other root is less than 3. Question. We want the graph to be like this. Here our fx is x square plus 2 times of m minus 1 into x plus m plus 5 is our fx. Okay. We want the graph of this function to be like this. 3 can be here, 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 anywhere. Okay. Obviously, this is in all cases this is minus b by 2a, turning point. Here derivative is 0. Now, just to make you understand, suppose at 3, this is some negative value. 3 comma, say minus 2 or minus, it's not minus 2, just I am assuming. Because I am imposing the condition f3 is negative. Okay. Just let us assume that at 3 the function attains the value minus 2. Here the turning point minus b by 2a, whatever it is, turns. Then if it is here, it will go like this. Then here it has to cross the x-axis, and here to go to infinity, because limit extends to infinity. What is fx?
Infinity.
Infinity. And limit extends to minus infinity. What is fx?
Minus.
Infinity.
What is this limit?
Minus infinity.
Marunga bhi.
Infinity. Yes, sir.
Infinity. So wherever is the turning point, if it is here point, then it will come here, it will turn, and again it has to, at minus infinity, it has to go to infinity. So on the way this side, it has to cross the real axis once, and on the way this side, it has to cross the real axis once. So since it's crossing the real axis, it means what?
It should have real roots.
It should have real root. That's it.
Yes, sir.
So by imposing the condition, if the graph is not coming down, if the graph is lying above x-axis, after imposing the condition, if the graph is above x-axis, to bring it down, we impose the condition d greater than or equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so automatically it's below x-axis. Some part of the graph is below x-axis. Some part of the graph is below x-axis, so it will attain the real axis. So it will have the real roots.
Yes,
Is it?
sir. Understood, sir.
It will have real roots.
Real roots.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So up to which bit it is over? Up to which bit we completed? Both
9.
roots greater. Both roots greater than 3.
Yes, sir.
Next is both roots less than 3. Do it by your own.
M belongs to minus 8 by 7 to minus 1 union 4 to infinity. For both roots less than 3.
At minus 8 by 7, it is open or closed?
Open.
At minus 1, it is
Closed. At 4 closed. At infinity open.
correct. At infinity or minus infinity, it will always be open. No one can reach till infinity or minus infinity. Correct. Very good. What's your name?
Open. Muhammad Shoaib.
Muhammad Shoaib. Good. Very good. You want me to do it? Shall I do it?
No, sir, we will do it.
Just two conditions will remain same. Only one condition minus b by 2a should be
Less.
less than 3. That's it. Other two conditions will remain same. Minus b by 2a is less than 3. We need to change only one condition. Next bit, exactly 1 lies in 1 comma 3. Just think of it. It's also very good. Exactly 1 root.
F of 1 is greater than 0. F of 3 less than 0.
Exactly 1 root lies in open interval 1 comma
1 comma.
3. There are two possibilities. One is this, other is this. Next is one is this, other is this. In both cases, exactly 1 root lies in the interval, open interval 1, 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
So first we have to solve for this, then for this. Whatever solutions we are getting for this one, union, whatever solution we are getting for this one. Now, for especially this case, forget the question. If I impose two conditions, don't write it. F1 positive, F3 negative. Do we need any other condition? Forget this. This part, I'm not writing this. Forget this. Under these two conditions, any other possibility is there? Except this graph?
No, sir.
See, 3 here, 1 here. It's not possible. 1 is always less than 3.
3.
Okay. Now, whatever solution you are getting, find the take intersection. Here, what condition? Because function attains negative value, roots will already be real.
Yes, sir.
Function is attaining negative value. That's why automatically the roots will be real. Here, what condition we need to impose?
F1 less than 0. F3 greater than 0.
Greater than 0. Solve it, take intersection. Whatever solution we are getting for this case, this union, this. These are both disjoint cases. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First, find out the values of m satisfying these two conditions. Find out the values of m satisfying these two conditions. Then take union. After that, take union.
Union.
Now, combining both the cases. I told don't write it. You can check it later. If I combine these two cases together, if I write F1 into F3 in either case, what will be it? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. It will cover both the cases. Product of two real numbers is negative. One will be negative, other will be positive. Since it's at one is negative, so it will attain the real value. So no need to impose any other condition because one value is negative, either this or this. So roots will be real. So it will cover both the cases. No need to solve separately. You solve it separately and check the answer finally. Okay, I'm giving you what you do. Find the values of m satisfying this. find the values of m satisfying this. Take the union, and f1 into f3 is less than 0. Whatever value we are getting from here, both will be same. f1 into f3. f1 is how much?
No. 3m plus 2.
3m plus 2. Check it. 3m plus 4, I think.
Yes, sir.
क्या है 3m plus?
3m plus 4.
Check the calculation. 3m plus 4 into
7m plus 8.
7m plus 8 is less than 0. Put 3, this will be 7m plus 8. Put 1, this will be 3m plus 4. Now, is minus 4 by 3 is minus 8 by 7. So, in this interval, it is negative. M belongs to minus 4 by 3 to minus 8 by 7. Okay, minus 4 by 3 to minus 8 by 7. Correct? I repeat, there are two possible graphs of this. One is this, other is this. Exactly for this specific case, this will be the solution. All values of m satisfying these two conditions simultaneously will give us this graph. All values of m satisfying these two conditions will give us this graph. So these are two different cases. Both will solve our purpose. In either case, exactly one root lie in the interval 1, 2, 3. So whatever value we are getting for m from here, union, whatever value we are getting for m here, this union this, and that has to be equal to this. Because f1 into f3 negative will cover both cases. Okay, if any doubt anywhere?
No, sir.
Shall I repeat?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Both roots lie in interval 1, open interval 1, 2, 3. Question number 12. Both lie in the open interval 1, 2, 3. First, come to the graph. This is 1, this is 3. Now tell me the condition one by one.
F of 1 into f of 3 is greater than 0.
There will be many cases for that. We don't need that. That will be only possible exactly one root is here. This type of things we don't want. Here also f1 into f3 is
Negative.
huh? F1 into f3.
Yes, sir. Positive.
Positive. So we don't want, after that we can't remove this type of case, even if you impose any condition.
Yes, sir.
Do we need this type of things in either case? Product form is only if exactly one root lies in the interval. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what is F1? Tell me.
Greater than 0.
Greater than 0.
F3 also greater.
F3 also.
Greater than 0.
Sure. Okay. Now 1 is here, 3 is here. Here 1, here 3, here 1, here 3. What to?
Minus
what
b by 2. 1
Correct,
is
1 is less than
minus b by 2a is less than 3.
3. Now think of under these three conditions, other than this, what are the possible graphs?
B square minus 4AC should be greater than 0.
Correct. Just I am telling you. Under these three conditions, the possible graph is this also.
3.
This is 1, this is 3, this is minus b by 2a. F1 positive, F3 positive, and minus b by 2a is in between 1 and 3. But roots are not real.
Yes,
To
sir.
bring it down, we have to impose the condition what?
B square minus 4AC should be greater than.
D greater than equal to 0.
Yes.
We can take equality also. This is also possible. In this case also we can say what? Both roots lie in between.
1 and 3.
Both roots are equal and they are in between 1 and 3. This is also possible, satisfying this condition. So these under these four cases, the only possibility of the graph is this. One is this, the other is this. Except these two possible graphs, there is no other graph of this function. If you impose these four conditions. So find the values. Find values of m and take the intersection. What is the final answer?
M belongs to minus 8 by 7, comma minus 1.
Minus 8 by 7 to minus 1. At minus 8 by 7, it is open or closed?
Open.
At minus 1, it is
Close.
closed.
At minus 1, close.
Closed. Okay. So final answer is correct. Taking intersection, we have M belongs to minus 8 by 7 to minus 1 closed. Okay. Shall I do it or you can do it? These things. Simple manipulation.
Done.
Last bit. What is last bit? One
is
greater than 3,
3, other is less
other
than
is
1.
first you plot the graph. One root greater than 3,
And other is less than
other
1.
less than 1. So what should be the graph? Here 1, here 3. What condition we need to impose?
F of 1 into f of 3 is greater than 0.
So that will, here this type of graph also it will give. अच्छा चलो करते हैं, जो तुम बोल रहे हो वही करते हैं. F1 into F3 is greater than 3, 0. It will cover this as well as this. Now, what condition we need to impose?
Discriminant is greater than or equal to 0.
Okay, discriminant greater than or equal to 0. Now it has come down. Now one can be here, one can be 3. This graph also it will satisfy. What to do next? Under these two conditions, this is possible, this is possible. In fact, this is possible. In fact, this is possible. ठीक है. This is possible. There are many things are coming.
F of 1 is less than 0 and f of 3 is also less than 0.
What's your name?
Ishaq.
Correct. Very good. You understood? Simply, if you impose this condition, simply this is 1, this is 3. 1, 3, 1, 3, anywhere. The only condition, 1 will be in between the roots, 3 will be in between the roots. That's it.
Yes, sir, understood.
1 will be in between the roots, 3 will be in between the roots. No
Yes,
need to
sir.
impose. No need to impose any other
Condition.
condition. Give me the answer. I have other class, so just I'm giving you one homework. Find all positive integral, not based on this. You can find many questions. Just go through previous year's question paper. You will find many questions based on this. Write one question for homework. Find all positive, not based on this. You have some practice by your own based on this. Find all positive integral solutions of the equation meaning of the question is for what integral values of x. This is some for what integral values of x and y, two variables. For what integral values of x and y, both sides are equal. Just based on quadratic concept only. Okay. Shall I disconnect?
Yes, sir.
This is just for thinking. My objective is you just spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes in this question. Just think. That's it. Whether you get or not, it's immaterial. Shall I end the meeting? Shall I disconnect?
Yes, sir.